Hello guys, welcome back to Javascript tutorial on our rytech channel. So in this video we're going to talk about object, particularly JavaScript object. So JavaScript is what refers to as object-oriented language, and this sounds like so much jargon, I know. And all it really means is that you can manipulate objects, you can make them do things, and you can change their properties. So for instance, in outside of programming, in real world, I'm gonna open my text editor. Okay, in the real world you can have the object which is, for example, a cat, or you can also have the object which is bicycle. So both of these are objects, and objects can contain in other object. So what's that called then is properties. So a cat can has a property of fur. So and also a bicycle. A bicycle has wheels. So that these are properties of this object. And the way this is referred to in JavaScript is what I refer to as dot syntax. So you start from most general, add a period, which is the dot, and go for more specific. Like for example, so we have cat here. So cat has fur, right? So in JavaScript we write this by say cat, and when you say cat has fur, so you write cat dot fur, as simple as that. And for bicycle, which is the same, so bicycle bicycle so bicycle has wheels, you say bicycle dot wheels. And then also you can go to more specific, which is then you can pick the front wheel, so bicycle dot wheels dot front. And yeah, so you go from most general to the most specific. In a similar fashion, a browser window has title, a form in the browser has fields and submit button, and those will be seen as, okay, I can write it, okay, document dot title, and so document dot form dot submit. So just as an example, this isn't the exact syntax, but pretty close. So then title is a property of the document, and submit is a property of a form, and form is a property of the document. So properties can contain other properties on their own, and all of these are objects. So you can use properties to modify objects. In JavaScript, if we change the document.title, that will change the title of your web page. Additionally, objects have methods. So for instance, you could say that cat.per, and you can have that after the per, the parentheses. So parentheses are what tell you at a glance that this is a method. They always need to be there, and you can, and when you see that that growing is something active, it is something happening. In the world JavaScript, say button, so a button can click, so you write button dot directly followed by parentheses. And also you can have a window and window dot open by parentheses. And this is the things that actually happen or you can make happen with JavaScript. Okay, you can think of them to the certain extent as the nouns and the verbs of JavaScript. Properties are the nouns and methods, the verbs. So now we talk about object, property, and method of JavaScript. Um, if you need more explanation on this, you could always find the extra information on the net and comfort yourself with these things so that you will have no trouble for the next lessons. So I think that's all for now. Meet you on the next movie. Thanks for watching.